Welcome to Dream Car, where passion meets performance. Today we bring you the 2025 Audi RS Q8 P900, a high-performance luxury SUV that redefines speed, style, and sophistication. From every angle, this machine looks like it was sculpted to dominate both roads and racetracks. Its exterior commands attention with an aggressive front grille, large air intakes, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a low-slung wide body. The blacked-out Audi rings and sporty RS bumpers add a bold character. The 23-inch alloy wheels and flared wheel arches give it a muscular stance, while the rear features a sleek spoiler, OLED taillights, and a roaring dual exhaust setup that completes its athletic look. Step inside, and you're greeted with an ultra-premium cockpit. The cabin is wrapped in fine Valcona leather with RS embossed seats that offer both luxury and support. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while carbon fiber accents and aluminum trim elevate the interior's sporty feel. The Virtual Cockpit Plus and twin touchscreen MMI system keep you connected and in control, while the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system ensures a concert-like audio experience. Under the hood, the RS Q8 P900 houses a tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, now producing an astonishing 900 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive, it launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds. The adaptive air suspension and dynamic steering allow for precision handling, whether you're cruising highways or pushing limits on the track. Massive carbon ceramic brakes offer powerful stopping force to match its insane speed. This beast isn't just about performance, it's packed with cutting-edge tech and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's a true blend of intelligence and muscle. As for the price, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 P900 starts around $160,000, and with all options and tuning upgrades, it can climb well beyond $200,000. But what you get is not just an SUV, it's an experience. Thanks for watching Dream Car. If you loved the ride, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-octane reviews. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.